Calculate the grading system for each and every student, then use the correct if function formula as shown. For grade A, enter equals if, open the bracket, M3, that is for the average, put a greater sign and then equals 80, put a comma and then in quote, type A, then put a comma. That is for the 80 and above is grade A. For grade B, continue with if, open bracket, M3, then enter greater sign equals 70, put a comma, then in quote, B, put a comma. That is for between 70 to 79. Grade C, continue with if, open the bracket, put M3, that is for the average, greater sign equals 60, put a comma, and then in quote, put C, put a comma. That is for between 60 to 69. Grade D, continue with if, open bracket, M3, then greater sign equals 50, put a comma, and then in quote put D, and then put a comma. That is for between 50 to 59. Grade E, continue with if, open bracket, put M3, then less than sign 50, put a comma, in quote enter grade E, and then that is for less than 49. Then close your formula with the same number of bracket as you have opened, and for this case R5. After that you press enter, click the grade, point the dot, drag it down to get the rest of the grades, and now you have completed your task, in which you can save it and then you close that work as we wait for the next video clip.